The M4 Mac Mini is renowned for its compact design and powerful performance. With a 10-core CPU and GPU, and starting with 16 gigabytes of unified memory, it's a versatile machine suitable for various tasks, from content creation to software development. M4 Mac Mini, Apple's most compact and powerful desktop yet, powered by the blazing fast M4 chip. Whether you're a developer, creative professional, or everyday power user, this Mac Mini is designed to redefine desktop performance in 2024. The power of the M4 chip. At the heart of the M4 Mac Mini is Apple's next-gen M4 system on a chip, delivering groundbreaking efficiency and power. The base model features a 10-core CPU with 4 high-performance cores and 6 high-efficiency cores, offering a perfect blend of speed and energy savings. And for the creatives out there, the 10-core GPU supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing, mesh shading, and dynamic caching, providing desktop-grade graphics in an ultra-compact machine. Plus, a powerful 16-core neural engine drives AI tasks, with a mind-blowing 38 trillion operations per second. M4 Pro chip for power users. Need more muscle? Step up to the M4 Pro model. You'll get a 14-core CPU with 8 performance and 6 efficiency cores, and up to 20-core GPU performance. Ideal for multitasking, 3D modeling, and running multiple 4K streams. It's built for demanding workflows. Unified memory and storage. The M4 Mac Mini starts with 16 gigabytes of unified memory, upgradable to 24 or 32 gigabytes. But the M4 Pro model supports up to a staggering 64 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, delivering up to 273 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth. When it comes to storage, options range from 256 gigabytes SSD up to 8 terabytes, ensuring you'll never run out of space for large files, apps, or high-resolution content. Studio microphone segment 4. Graphics and display output. The new Mac Mini supports multiple high-res displays. You can connect up to 3 external monitors with resolutions up to 6K at 60 Hz, or even 8K at 60 Hz through Thunderbolt or HDMI. For gamers and content creators, support for 240 Hz refresh rate at 4K means buttery smooth visuals and hyper-realistic rendering. Port selection. On the front, you'll find 2 high-speed USB-C ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack supporting high-impedance audio gear. Flip it to the back, and you get 3 Thunderbolt 4 or 5 ports, depending on your chip, an HDMI 2.1 output, gigabit Ethernet, or 10 gigabit Ethernet if you upgrade, and your power connector. It's connectivity made future-proof. Wireless tech and audio. Wireless performance gets a boost with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, providing fast, stable connections for accessories, AirDrop, and more. Audio-wise, it includes a built-in speaker, and thanks to HDMI, it can output multi-channel audio for home theater setups. Media capabilities. Whether you're editing or watching, media performance is top-notch. It supports HEVC, ProRes, H.264, and even AV1, with full Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG for brilliant color and contrast. Audio formats like Apple Lossless, Dolby Atmos, and FLAC are all supported natively. Design and build. The Mac Mini retains its iconic compact design, measuring just 5 by 5 by 2 inches and weighing around 1.5 pounds. Built with recycled aluminum, it's not only sleek but sustainable, part of Apple's mission for a carbon-neutral future. macOS integration. Running macOS Sequoia, the M4 Mac Mini integrates seamlessly with your Apple ecosystem, with support for Universal Control, Stage Manager, and Sidecar. Whether you're editing with Final Cut Pro or coding in Xcode, it's built to accelerate your workflow. Pricing and availability. The M4 Mac Mini starts at just $599, making it one of the most affordable ways to step into Apple Silicon. The M4 Pro version starts at $1,399 and scales with RAM and storage upgrades to meet your needs. Available globally since November 8, 2024. It's shipping now on Apple's website and authorized retailers. Final verdict. The M4 Mac Mini 2024 is compact, powerful, and smarter than ever. With Apple's most advanced silicon, blazing fast performance, and versatile connectivity, it's the ultimate value desktop for professionals and enthusiasts alike. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Apple news, reviews, and tech deep dives.